Howdy, y'all. I ain't been able to griddle for darn near a week, it feels like. Maybe since Friday. And that was about 4 days ago, give or take. And I'm not going to make you sit through a whole long video today because we're making BLTs. But believe it or not, it's been rainy up here in the mountains all day, and the sun just now decided to come out at the end of the day. And you don't need to be told how to make BLTs. You throw bacon on the griddle. You see I sliced it. And it's not needing press as much as it usually does because I got the temperature just right. Smaller pieces, I reckon. But we're going to have bacon. We'll throw it on some bread with some mayonnaise, and we're going to slice up some maters and shred some lettuce and throw it on. Butter lettuce. I like butter lettuce. And that's all there is to it, y'all. You know that. And what's better on the Blackstone than bacon? Nothing, I tell you, nothing. I can tell you that instead of my spatula, I like using these things to flip my bacon. Chomp, chomp. Anyway, that's it. We're done. Go home. The movie's over. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!